Good morning, I'm Kate Scott, I'm from Minneapolis. I came here to Rejuve because for the last year and a half or so I've been dealing with some increasing back pain and lack of mobility, and had met with several surgeons back in Minneapolis, and the consensus was either I was needing a spinal fusion or like type procedures, and I just was super frustrated with my quality of life, but I also felt like certainly that can't be my only answer. And through a recommendation or referral from my general practitioner, I found Dr. B and came in for a consult for a PRP, and was just really excited to try an alternative to these very permanent sounding procedures that weren't necessarily a guarantee. It was pretty tough too. I had a lot of pain, couldn't do really basic household stuff. Even bending over to open the dishwasher was an Olympic event if I dropped something on the floor. It was a lottery to see who could pick it up for me. It really, things that we would normally take for granted were very difficult for me, very painful. So I had my PRP in April, about 10 weeks ago. I'm amazed. I feel pretty textbook in terms of watching, when I might notice some improvement, and it was truly probably around that 6-week mark. But I mean, I think I'm at about 10 weeks, and truly a month ago, I still couldn't do some of those everyday things, and I cannot believe since then how I've improved. Things like getting out of bed, getting transitions, sitting to standing and vice versa now I don't even think about it. Getting in and out of the car isn't something I really have to okay, prepare girl, get ready for this. I'm kind of forgetting about some of the things that used to be very painful, and that to me was like, oh my God, I just did that. Or, sitting in funky ways on the couch. I'm like, oh, I remember that I couldn't do that. And I'm so grateful that I found Dr. B and this whole PRP procedure, and I'm telling everyone that I know in my family and friends who struggle with similar things. I'm like, you guys, you just go talk to him, just get information. You have nothing to lose. I'm thrilled with my decision. And I love Rejuve, I love Dr. B, the whole staff here, this whole experience has been nothing but super positive and amazing.